Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project 1. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with dedicated app. In the beginning, let's go to Dark Project app, drivers and manuals, and select your keyboard. In my case it's violet. Go to web software and now select device. Select your keyboard. And now, as you can see, the keyboard is online. Right here we can find firmware version, update info, and to connect it, select the keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.